students, welcome to CEC online class. Myself Diman Choduri, Senior Software Faculty of CEC Head Office Silpukuri. So today I am going to discuss about mail merge and protect document in MS Word. If you have any doubts, just write in comment box. Okay, and don't forget to like our CEC Guwahati Facebook page and subscribe our YouTube channel CEC Educational Videos. So let's start our class.
Students, today's topic is mailings. Okay, mailing or mail merge is a feature within most data processing applications that enables users to send a similar letter or document to multiple recipients. We can call it a template with a data source that contains information about the recipient's name, address, and other predefined and supported data. So basically, mail merge consists in a combining mail or letter or predefined addressed envelopes or mailing labels for mass mailings from a form letter. So I already write a letter here. So first I need to go start mail merge option, select letters. Okay, after that select recipients. Select recipient means choose the list of people you intend to send a letter to. You can type your own list, use your own Outlook context. So go to the select recipients, type new list, click on type new list. So now here you see title, first name, last name, company name. Lots of tabs are available in this new address list. So you can customize these columns. So if you don't want this tab, then delete here. Yes, yes, see, yes, delete, yes, delete, yes, address line 2, delete, last name, delete, company name, delete, yes, state also delete. So I just keep title, first name, address and city here. Okay, so now I have to enter all the details whom I want to send this letter. So in the here title Mr. first name, just example Vicky, address line Guwahati Club, city Guwahati. So if you need another person name, click on new entry. Again Miss, first name Rani, Silpukuri, Guwahati. Another name Mr. Raj Bispur, Guwahati. Okay, so after inserting 3 contacts, you need to save this address list. For that, click on OK. After click on OK, give a name. I insert a name here, file name as Dhiman, then after that save. Okay, so after saving the letter, you click on here, go to the insert merge field. So now you can add any field from your recipient list to the document, such as last name or first name or address. Then you have to finish this mail merge. Okay, so click on insert merge field, click on title, space, first name, click on enter, address, enter, city, enter. Okay, then you can also insert a greetings line. Click on insert greetings line, select OK. Okay, then after inserting all of this, go to finish and merge. So now you have to finish the these merge steps, and you can create a separate documents for each copy of the letters and send them all directly to the printer or send them via email. So just click this finish and merge, edit individual document, merge to the new document, merge records, all okay. See, I have insert three names. So Mr. Vicky, Miss Rani, Mr. Raj. So 3 separate files are available for all of them. So this is a long process, but we have to remember it. So how can I insert all the fields, and after that how can insert greetings line, and after that I have finish and merge. So first of all you need to write a letter, then go to the mailing, start mail merge, select letters, after that select recipient, type new list. So you can customize this all of this column. So for that go to the customize column. So there are different types of address lists are available. So if you don't want this, then go delete it. Okay, so after deleting all the tab, again you click on OK. After that you insert your preferences, title, first name, last name or address. After writing all of the name, then go to the OK and save this. After saving this file, you can insert here from insert must fill. So you have to insert one by one the title, first name, address or city. That after that click on greetings line. After that finish and merge, edit individual document, click on all, OK. Okay, so after clicking here, you can view this file, 3 different files for 3 different persons. Okay, so remember the steps, all of this is. So this one is mailings. Okay, so hope you remember the steps. If you have any doubts, just write a comment in the below. So next our topic is review. Okay, in review we need to learn this one, protect document. How can restrict people can access this document? So see, go to the protect document, restrict formatting and editing. Here you can restrict people from making certain types of editing or formatting to the document by specifying password. So click here. So formatting restriction. So I take a new file, blank document. Go to the protect document, restrict formatting and editing. See here formatting restriction. So tick on the limit formatting. Editing restriction, tick on the editing restriction. Start enforcement. So click on yes. Give a password, same password. Click on OK. So after that, if you want to type, you can't type here because the restriction is available. If you don't this restriction, just click on the stop protection, just again fill the password and OK, then you can write here. Okay, so using protect document you can restrict formatting and editing for others person. So today mailings and from review protect document is done. If you have any doubt, just comment below and ask and practice in home. So for the next time, for today we are going to stop here. Thank you.